and welcome to the world of data-driven decision-making. As future business leaders, it is crucial to understand the power of data in shaping your organization's strategies. In this and the following two learning modules, I will look at what data analytics is, the importance of data governance, which refers to the tracking metrics that matter to your business, like sales patterns, cost, market engagement, and customer sentiments. And finally, we will look at how to make data-informed decisions with the analysis performed on this data. In the process, you will also understand what big data is, how to recognize it, and how it fits into your business analytics journey. As a starting definition, data analytics refers to the ability to uncover hidden trends impacting the business. We use tools like dashboards, visualizations, and predictive analytics to make sense and gain insight from data. Finally, we arrive at the data-informed decisions. After analyzing the data, we might find surprising trends and confirm or debunk our assumptions, and this insight guide our decision-making process. Remember, data is your ally. It validates or disproves your intuition, uncovers hidden trends, and guides your decisions. But remember the human element. Data is a tool, not a replacement for human judgment. Use it wisely to make informed decisions and drive your organization's success.
So, what is the value of data? Data empowers you to make well-informed decisions by complementing your intuition with solid data analysis. Studying data effectively helps validate assumptions and identify trends that aren't obvious in daily operations. The process involves 3 steps. Data governance, which properly tracks relevant metrics impacting your organization, such as sales, costs, market interactions, psychographic data, and how the customers feel about your company. In data analysis, we identify underlying latent trends affecting your organization by creating dashboards, visualizations, or optimization models. Latent means hidden, that is, not obvious trends hidden in the data. After analyzing the data, consider surprising trends, raise questions, and validate or invalidate assumptions when making final decisions. For example, if you own a small retail shop and suspect higher weekend sales, you can use tools to automatically track your sales for data governance. By accessing the data and creating a bar chart, you confirm, for example, that 80% of sales occur on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. This insight can guide your marketing budget allocation and prompt you to hire more people on Saturdays and Sundays. To make better decisions, follow this 3-step process: data governance, data analysis, and decision. Also, remember that tracking, analyzing, and using data intelligently leads to well-informed choices. Any organization generates a significant amount of data daily, but how much is high quality enough to drive decision? Data governance is a collection of practices and processes that ensure data quality within your organization. The main challenge is obtaining enough high-quality data fast enough to make decisions, with specific challenges varying based on organization size. Large organizations face challenges in achieving data continuity across departments and data collection systems. Legacy systems might not collect data effectively or cannot integrate with new systems, leading to a lack of cohesion. Additionally, large organizations often have data silos, where departments like sales and marketing don't effectively share data. Small organizations typically don't struggle with data quality using the right data collection processes. However, they often lack data due to their shorter operational history. These organizations can rely on industry reports, expert consultants, or data brokers to obtain more data and make informed decisions. Data governance is crucial, as demonstrated by an example where a large multinational brand hired a consultant to create a recommended stocking list. The consultant spent 2 out of 3 months cleaning and validating data, leaving only 1 month for the actual analysis. If the system had been designed with data analysis in mind, more time could have been spent on generating recommendations. Understanding your organization's data quality issues is the first step in addressing them. Tracking your data effectively using the right tools is essential in making informed decisions. We saw how data governance and monitoring the right metrics are crucial steps. Knowing your data is also important. There are different types of data, but any business generates and consumes or should consider consuming these fundamental sets. Sales data, generated by a transactional system that allows you to download purchases and sell history in a tabular format. This data can be analyzed to uncover underlying purchasing and sales trends. Cost data. For simple organizations, Excel can track cost data. More complex organizations may benefit from accounting tools like QuickBooks or in-house legacy systems. Marketing data. Tools like Mixpanel, Google Analytics, or Adobe Analytics, to cite a few, are practical tools for tracking marketing data, such as goal conversions, website traffic, and demographics. Consider hiring an expert to install and implement marketing analytics for your organization. Psychographic data. Surveys tools like Google Forms or Qualtrics can collect psychographic data, which focuses on understanding your customers' or potential customers' feelings and thoughts. This type of data is less prone to automation and requires carefully designed surveys. However, it is possible to understand customers by analyzing their purchasing history, like in the case of large retailers like Amazon, or streaming services like Netflix and Hulu. Companies that rely on transitional systems are better positioned to take a deep dive into their sales trends more effectively. It is important to graduate students in an MBA program, for example, to be aware that these data tracking tools can help you gather more data than you ever thought possible, ultimately leading to better decision making in your future career. The demand for business analysts has increased in recent years. An effective analyst understands the business goals, functions, challenges, and the underlying data that lead to those outcomes. Whether you are part of a large organization or a small business owner, understanding the main functions of effective data analysis is crucial. Business analytics is a combination of statistical, computational, and operational techniques applied to a business data. The goal? Well, we said already that the goal is to derive insights and make data-backed decisions to solve complex business problems. But it is not just about numbers, it's about translating these numbers and making decisions for actionable insights to realize your business strategies. Numbers and trends evolve beyond mere data points, becoming coherent narratives that aid organizations in understanding their past performances, predict future trends, and craft strategies that align with their overarching objectives. Moreover, business analytics is not a static or monolithic discipline. It is a dynamic and multifaceted, encompassing a range of subfields including data science, predictive analytics, and big data analytics, to name a few. Each area offers tools and methodologies tailored for specific tasks. When working on data analytics projects, some fixed tasks must be completed to achieve the desired results using a data analytic project cycle. You will learn methodologies like CRISP-DM or Microsoft TDSP to effectively execute data initiatives and turn data into insight. The CRISP-DM data analysis process consists of 6 steps: business understanding, data preparation, modeling, evaluation, and deploying. More on this later. Next, we will look at the art and science of decision making. I will see you next.